Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Uncle Tony here, coming at you live down here in Waxhaw, North Carolina to start a screen and recoat. Beautiful area. Let me take you guys inside, show you what we're up against. This client found us on Google a while back. It was a few months ago. We came out and gave them an estimate, and they were having this kitchen redone. Beautiful job. Anyway, we're here to take care of the floor needs. As you can see, it needs a little bit of protection. The floors are in decent shape. It's got some UV fading here that will not go away with screen and coat. But that's about the worst part of the area, of the whole job. Just to get some new protection down here. So we'll be doing this whole area down here, all the steps, and the upstairs hallway. It's just time for a screen and coat, get some protection back down. We're gonna be going with 2K. In this upper hallway here, that's it. So I'll come back and show you the progress, and I'll come back and show you the results like always. Alright, stick around. It's gonna be a great episode. These floors are gonna look fantastic. First coat is going down. We've got the steps done, the upstairs hall. Look how good this is turning out. It's gonna look fantastic. We're gonna get some lunch, come back and do the second coat. We'll be done. Alrighty guys, feast your eyes on this. This is the result of the 2 coats upstairs. Beautiful. Beautiful job. This was just a screen and recoat. Well, it doesn't take everything out, but it gets 2 new coats, protection back on the floor. That's what we did here. Beautiful, beautiful. Fantastic. Everything back here looks beautiful. Over here, fantastic. Alright guys, once again as always, thanks for watching.